Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So I survived the street vendors. Did well, didn't get that much to eat, but yeah, met a lot of nice people. These are the moments where I wish I learned more Spanish, or that I knew more Spanish. I spoke more Spanish, and I think they wish that they learned or knew a little more English. But yeah, love connecting with people. This probably the guy at the restaurant that told me about this get together tonight. That's probably like every Sunday. Probably not the safest. And I'm not exaggerating. Probably not the safest place for me to be, but I do stand out like a sore thumb. The tall white guy with the big nose. There, I said it. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. People just come here on a Sunday, well, Saturday and a Sunday, but yeah, this is the first Sunday that I was here where they actually had the food vendors. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family and listening to these goofy stories of mine. Love y'all. Bye-bye.